Should have said he want to rock it like this now. One over there, hard at work. All right, guys, we got a 1973 Buick Riviera. It's got Flowmaster 40s on it, and I'm gonna let you guys hear it before. Alright guys, so this is a 1971, not a 73. My bad. Anyways, you guys heard what it sounded like before, so I'm going to show you what's underneath it. We're going to take them off and we're going to put two BORLAs in its place. We're also going to replace a small section up in the front where his transmission guy flattened it right there. So anyways, shorty's there and there. It goes all, looks like it's in 2 1/4 all the way back into the Flowmasters. It looks like 40 series right there. On each side, over the rear end, out the back, no tips, just pipe right there and right there. So like I said, we're gonna take those off, we're gonna put those BORLAs on, and then we'll let you guys hear it after we're done. There it is, guys. You guys like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, 1971 Buick Riviera. I showed you guys what it sounded like before when we had the Flowmasters on it and how it was set up. Well, took those off. Like I said, we put the BORLAs on. So this is what it looks like now, and we also replaced a piece of piping right there. Got the dent out of it, got it back to a true flow pipe now instead of a smush pipe. And we put the two BORLAs in the middle right there, nice and clean. And then continuation of the tailpipe out the back. So he's gonna come back and we might put some like square flat tips on it eventually. But for now, he's just gonna rock the tailpipes. With the BORLAs right there. Here's the part number on the BORLAs too. 40352. 2.5 in, 2.5 out. That's right there. And that's the old Flowmasters and the old dented piece of pipe right there. And bro went to town on that thing. There it is out the back right there. So we'll let you guys hear it now. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Funky trunk, bro. Looks like a spaceship, honestly. That's the motorcycle minivan right there, boys. 250cc dirt bike right there, dog. 4-wheel drive. You never seen nothing like it.
1971 Riviera. This is what it sounds like after, guys. You ready? With BORLA Pro accessories. Sound decibels. 101. Again. What's under the hood? 455 under the hood, guys. Because you can see it jumping again. Wow. She's a beaut. Go ahead and back it out.
A lot better.
Look at this thing, guys. What a beautiful car. Really nicely done. Go ahead. Let you guys hear on the inside. He's been a good friend of mine for the past, what do you think, 10 years? We've been friends?
Man, we've been friends for like 15.
Yeah.
You know, for about 15 years, man.
Crazy. I'm glad he brought it in, man. Look at this thing. Whew. All original, guys. You can't find them like that anymore. Wow. So beautiful.
455.
Got a big 455 in it. Look at this thing. Show quality. He's a firefighter too, guys, so we appreciate him. He's a first responder. We appreciate his service. I'll let you guys see it all. There it is. Really nice. Really clean. Riviera. Beautiful car. We appreciate you bringing it in, man. 1971 Riviera. This is what it sounds like after, guys. You ready? With BORLA Pro accesses. You know that he likes the car when people want to just sit in it. Well, his friend is recording. That's so funny. Riviera. Riviera. You see it right there? Full system with BORLA Pro accesses. It's a perfect complement to this car. Just sounds so good. And it flies. Oh, I love it. Nothing like a classic, guys. Enjoy it.